Inception, directed by the visionary Christopher Nolan, has garnered unanimous acclaim for its mind-bending narrative, breathtaking visuals, and profound exploration of the human psyche. This cinematic masterpiece delves into the intricate labyrinth of dreams, challenging our perception of reality and blurring the boundaries between the conscious and subconscious. From the very first frame, Inception immerses viewers in a world of enigma and intrigue. We are introduced to the enigmatic protagonist Cobb, portrayed by the immensely talented Leonardo DiCaprio, who finds himself inexplicably stranded on a desolate beach. This enigmatic opening captivates our attention, evoking a sense of curiosity that fuels our journey into the depths of this cerebral thriller. Nolan's screenplay weaves a complex tapestry of dreams within dreams, where reality becomes a malleable construct. The dream sequences, meticulously crafted and visually mesmerizing, thrust us into a realm of surreal landscapes and perilous situations. These sequences, as noted by scholar Erin Curry in her article, Dreaming in Inception, serve as a metaphor for the creative process, illustrating how ideas can take on a life of their own within the recesses of our minds. Central to the film's narrative is the inciting incident, a proposition that sets in motion a high-stakes conflict that forms the backbone of Inception. Enter Saito, portrayed by the captivating Ken Watanabe, who presents Cobb with an audacious challenge to perform Inception on his rival. This daring endeavor involves implanting an idea in the depths of a target's subconscious, an ethically precarious endeavor that fuels the narrative tension and raises profound questions about the power of manipulation and the nature of free will. Inception stands as a testament to the mastery of screenwriting techniques employed by Nolan. Foreshadowing is deftly employed throughout the film, providing subtle hints that unravel the intricate layers of the narrative. A prime example of this is the recurring motif of a spinning top, emblematic of the fragile line between reality and illusion, as it teeters on the edge of uncertainty. No analysis of Inception would be complete without acknowledging the profound impact of DiCaprio's performance as Cobb. Inhabiting the character with a rare blend of vulnerability and intensity, DiCaprio breathes life into the tormented thief haunted by his past and driven by an unwavering determination to reunite with his loved ones. His nuanced portrayal, as observed by esteemed critic David Denby, is nothing short of a bravura performance that resonates long after the credits roll. Scholarly articles on Inception further validate its intellectual prowess. Robert J. McKenna's illuminating paper, The Psychology of Inception, delves into the film's exploration of the human mind, shedding light on the intricate interplay between the conscious and subconscious realms, and the implications it holds for our perception of self. In conclusion, the first 15 minutes of Inception serve as a gateway into a realm of cinematic brilliance. Nolan's deft screenplay, combined with awe-inspiring visuals and thought-provoking themes, mesmerizes audiences from the opening frame. The film's innovative use of dream sequences, combined with its skillful employment of foreshadowing and symbolic motifs, enriches the viewing experience and elevates Inception to the realm of timeless cinema. Thank you for joining us on this analysis, and we sincerely hope you relished this deep dive into the intricate world of Inception. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Creative Contents for more captivating explorations of cinema's finest creations.